How can I create a symbolic link on Windows 10? I was reading this URL, and I know junction/link worked in Windows 7 as well, but it seems like the junction command has been retired in Windows 10. What's the correct way to make symbolic links in Windows 10?
It seems like the junction command has been retired in Windows 10. You can download Junction from Windows sysinternals, which is part of Microsoft. Junction not only allows you to create NTFS junctions, it allows you to see if files or directories are actually reparse points. Reparse points are the mechanism on which NTFS junctions are based, and they are used by Windows Remote Storage Service, RSS, as well as volume mount points. Please read this Microsoft KB article for tips on using junctions. Note that Windows does not support junctions to directories on remote shares. So how do I create junctions or directory symbolic links in Windows 10? Download Junction as instructed above. Now you can use the following commands. Create a junction. Create a directory symbolic link. You can use either link/j or junction in Windows 10 to create junctions. You can use link/d in Windows 10 to create directory symbolic links. Notes: Junction can also list junctions and determine if a file is a junction, unlike mlink. Mlink is an internal command only available within a CMD shell. By default, administrator privileges are required to create symbolic links. It can also be granted to other users. The security setting Create Symbolic Links can be granted at Examples: using mlink to create a directory symbolic link, using mlink to create a junction, using junction to create a junction. Further reading: an A to Z index of the Windows CMD command line, an excellent reference for all things Windows CMD line related. Link: create a symbolic link to a directory or a file, or create a hard file link or directory junction.
Open a PowerShell session as elevated administrator and type. Or using less verbose syntax. Surely in 2016 and with Windows 10 you don't want to fiddle around with CMD commands or external downloads. Windows 10 comes with PowerShell 5, which has built-in support for creating symbolic links.
If you want a GUI tool for making /editing that symlinks, use this URL. Link Shell extension provides for the creation of hard links, junctions, volume mount points, and Windows 7/8s symbolic links, herein referred to collectively as links, a folder cloning process that utilizes hard links or symbolic links, and a copy process taking care of junctions, symbolic links, and hard links. As its name implies, is implemented as a shell extension and is accessed from Windows Explorer or similar file/folder managers. The extension allows the user to select one or many files or folders, then using the mouse, complete the creation of the required links, hard links, junctions or symbolic links, or in the case of folders, to create clones consisting of hard or symbolic links. also supported on all Windows versions that support NTFS version 5.0 or later, including Windows XP 64 and Windows 7/8/10. Hard links, junctions and symbolic links are not supported on FAT file systems, and nor is the cloning and smart copy process supported on FAT file systems.
There is an open source tool called Symlink Creator that provides a minimal UI for drag and drop both files and folders to be symlinked. It can use both relative paths, if in the same drive, or absolute paths for symlinking. There is an option to retain the script used for symlinking. Disclaimer: I am the author of Symlink Creator. I created it for my personal use but then shared it with everyone.